Hair length is a distance measured from the root to the tip of the hair. Sometimes you may not be very clear on what hair length to order for your hair system. Therefore, in this video, we will show you how to measure the hair length. Start by taking some of the hair from the crown area and keep it to its straightest since it's a bit wavy. Then put the starting end of the measuring tape at the roots and measure all the way down to the tips. As you can see, the length is 5 inches or 13 centimeters. To ensure consistency and accuracy of the measurement, we will also measure the hair at the side and back, seeing if the hair lengths are the same for the different parts of the hair system. So we will do exactly the same for the side. Take some of the hair, pull it straight, and get the measurement. See, the length is still 5 inches. Time to move to the back. Grab a few strands, have them straighten, then here it comes the number. Just as expected, length is still 5 inches. So that's pretty much how you measure the hair length. Super easy, right? For comparison purposes, we have got 2 more hair pieces that are very similar in hair length, with 4 inches long for this one and 6 inches for the other one. Although the hair lengths don't vary that much between these 3 hair systems, you can still easily identify the length differences when presented in front of you together. As we know that some hairstyles or customers want to come with different hair lengths for different areas of the hair system, in that case, when customizing your hair system, you can always opt for our haircut and styling service at an additional $20 in later steps, where you would give it the option to request a specific hair length for each divided area of the hairpiece. Or you can just have the haircut and the styling done by yourself or your local salon as you wish. Thanks for watching. Bye.